What do you get when you combine inflammaging with aging process? Inflammation and aging process, you get inflammaging. Hey everybody, I'm Brown Applied Fitness, where our mission is to motivate, educate, empower you to become the best version of yourself. And today I want to talk about inflammaging and how this is a real thing that takes its toll on the body and adds up to aches and pains and makes you feel lethargic and tired and mood swings and energy swings. All that can be eliminated by reducing the inflammation in your body. So what causes the inflammation? Let's start there. What causes inflammation is foods such as foods high in sugar, processed foods, gluten, dairy products, alcohol, and even dehydration to a certain extent all cause the inflammation process in the body. So what that is, it's just an anti-inflammatory, it's an autoimmune issue where your body is trying to eliminate the toxins from your body. And by eliminating those toxins, it elicits an inflammatory process that you often feel in your joints, you feel it in your energy levels. It leads to inflammation all over the body, can ultimately lead to heart disease, which is inflammation of the vessels, can lead to diabetes, all sorts of detrimental health effects secondary to the inflammation process. So we first want to start by eliminating. We want to eliminate to the extent that we can, again, the sugars, the processed foods, the alcohol, the gluten, and the dairy. So on top of that, we want to not only eliminate those foods, but there are certain foods that have an anti-inflammatory effect. And of course, we want to add those into our diet. So what kind of foods are those? Those are your vegetables, your fruits, your nuts, your healthy fishes, whole grains, all the foods that help you not only eat healthy, but feel better, but also reduce the inflammation. Let me get a little more specific too. As far as vegetables, you want to focus more on green leafy vegetables, your kale, your spinach, lettuces, and certain lettuces. Those are all the green leafy vegetables that are higher in phytochemicals that help reduce the inflammation. Let's talk a little bit about fruit. All fruit isn't quite the same. You want to focus more on what we call superfoods, which is your berries, your blueberries, your strawberries, your raspberries. All those foods, again, have those same phytochemicals that you can't supplement. You can't take a pill. You can't take in a supplement form. You have to eat through Mother Nature. So eat your berries. Those are superfoods, going to help reduce the inflammation. Nuts, again, almonds, cashews, all high in the healthy fatty acids. Same with salmon. We all heard that for years, that eating salmon is good, not only for your heart health, but also excellent to help reduce inflammation. And as I mentioned, whole grains, high in fiber, which helps to eliminate, keeps your body regular, which reduces inflammation. So there you go. 5 things to eliminate, 5 things to include in your diet. Incorporate that in your diet. You're going to look, you're going to feel, you're going to be the best version of yourself so you can age gracefully, not have those aches and pains and restrictions that oftentimes plague people as we age. I'm Brown Applied Fitness. If you found any value, please hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share. Reach out if you have any questions. We are here to serve you, help you become the best version of yourself. Be great.